Listen up, you young witches and wizards of code. Welcome to Hogwarts School of Coding, the most secure and formidable institution for honing your skills in the digital arts. Here at Hogwarts, we don't mess around with mere incantations and potions. We wield the power of code to shape the future, protect the innocent, and expose the dark forces that lurk in the depths of the digital realm. But let me be clear, in this school, constant vigilance is not just a motto, it's a way of life. You'll learn to spot vulnerabilities before they're exploited, to protect sensitive data, and to outsmart even the most cunning hackers. Our enemies are as numerous as the lines of code in the Matrix, and they're always lurking, waiting for a vulnerability to exploit. But fear not, for you will be trained to be the guardians of the digital realm, the defenders of the code. So, are you ready to embark on this perilous journey into the world of coding? If you're not, you'd better start getting ready, because in this school, there's no room for complacency. I am Professor Alastor Moody, but you can call me Professor HTML. And let me make one thing perfectly clear. This is not a class for the faint of heart. HTML is the language of the web, and it's a world filled with traps, vulnerabilities, and endless possibilities. You will learn to tame it, control it, and harness its power. But mark my words, you will do it with constant vigilance. HTML can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. In this class, you will learn to write clean, semantic code. You will build websites that can withstand the darkest forces of the internet. And if you think you can get away with sloppy coding, think again. I have a magical eye that can spot a missing closing tag from a mile away. Your mission is to master HTML, and I'll be your guide through this perilous journey. But remember, in the world of web development, there's no polyjuice potion to save you from your mistakes. It's just you, your code, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Constant vigilance, students. You will soon learn that I take the world of HTML as seriously as I take dark wizards. Today, you begin your journey into the heart of web development, and I promise you, it won't be a walk in the park. But remember this, just as in the world of wizards and witches. One small mistake can lead to disastrous consequences. One misplaced tag, one faulty attribute, and your website could be as unstable as a cursed object. Pay attention, keep your code tidy and secure.